guys, here's something for you. Got your welding mask, right? So you can see through that lens nice and clear. I'll put it up on there on the phone. Alright, so we're looking through my welding mask, right? And you know, I shine my regular light here. Okay, the phone just cut out on me, probably because of the band here. Filming difficulties. Alright. There, we could do it just like this. There. Okay. So of course, when you're welding, you get the arc protection. Now let's go look up at the sun. So when I look up at sunlight, look at that. It's already gone black for you. Right? But you can look directly at the sun now. There's the sun. Okay. Walk away from the sun. This recording is absolutely horrendous. I'm sorry, guys. So we know the arc does it. We know the sun does it. We know the LED light doesn't do it. I'm curious. Will the UV light do it? No? UV light doesn't do it. Huh. Huh. Well, let me check my phone real quick. You see that? You see that?